We're getting a little bit of a late start today, bro. I was supposed to be there, I think, at 9 o'clock. And just like the last video, you know, fashionably late. It's my bad once again, Brandon. See, there's a difference between should be easy and will be easy. Oh boy, bro, it's happening.
Cough of the century.
Happening. We're about to have a low boy right here.
Low word boy.
Oh, that's even, dude. Dude, holy.
SpongeBob fingers, were they like broken?
They're just broken every other way. So how low is this gonna get this thing?
It's like an inch. So these are the Bilsteins, the shocks that come on the club.
Could be around an inch though. I mean, if you take an inch right here. All right, car's up on some stands right here. We're getting the wheels off. And we're about to go to town, bro. We're gonna bang this out, bro. There's any wheel plugs out there. Yeah. Hit us out, bro. Previous owner curved these. And it's got like some sort of like etching in it that we left
some wheel cleaner
knock it off.
Way too long.
Hit it with the Diablo, never hit it with the rinse.
Yeah, you just left that on overnight.
That ass amateur hour, bro. Not here though.
Not here.
Not here. Tire number 2.
Been heat cycling these Johns.
So just autographed his own wheel, bro. That's crazy.
Gotta let them know I was there.
Shit. For every $5 spent in the store, it goes towards winning one of these wheels. Crazy.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I'll be damned if I don't have a forum post pulled up on my phone already.
Alright guys, we couldn't figure out the coil, so we decided to LS swap it instead.
It's already done.
Yep.
Car came out in 2016, bro. It's got a phone from 08.
Did you clean your engine bay?
I clean it. What do you think about me like painting that red? Just cause.
Alright, well he's arching his back right there. Hey. Look at this sound tube, bro. In the way.
In the way.
In the way.
Did Mazda know that I was going to be working on this? Because if they did, this is pretty fucking insensitive. You know, at least it's real noise.
Come on.
Yeah! Ooh. It's got to pop out big bolts, you know what I mean? It's that bottom bolt.
Beefy bolt. Alright, this is pretty quick. Took us like 2 minutes to get this thing up.
Took us like no time. Didn't have to look anything up. Boom!
Alright, now we gotta put this in. With no copyright sounds playing in the background.
Oh, total.
We got the banana boy going in.
Did I just chip my paint? I hope not. Was that there or was that just me?
No.
Oops!
We're gonna get to the bottom of that, bro. Whoever did that, we're gonna find out.
I'm gonna find out whoever did this. Oh, it was definitely me, bro.
Nothing a little touch-up paint can't fix, you know?
I need some for my roof, too.
I see it. Yeah, I see it. Yep. Next mod is gonna be some touch-up paint. Looks like it goes in easier than it comes out.
We'll wait to make that judgment.
The spring on the
you gotta preload the suspension.
The spring shouldn't shoot up through the strut tower right there. I'm on my NA Miata shenanigans again, Brandon. I need to.
You wanna get one?
I need to get an NA Miata. I need to be rolling through gears again. Show me out something a little bit different here. All right, lifted E36.
Yes. That'd be so much fun.
We need to do it. We need to make it happen, bro. Hit that join button down below.
We could just get to 100 patrons.
All right, this side is officially done. It's in there quite nicely. Dude, I can't believe these $20 Walmart lights are still absolutely killing it. Bro, back in the day, we went to Walmart, picked these up. Like, dude, I don't even know how many years ago. It was back when we... Dude, yeah, it was like 6 years ago, back when you got the first original garage, bro.
Yeah, the Corrado and...
Yeah, they're still going strong, bro. 20 bucks a piece. I'm sure they're like $75 now due to inflation, but like, look for some cheap lights, bro. Hey, we got spring number 2.
Spring number 2.
Second banana boy is going in. Slam it on Tarmax and daily.
Guys, comment below if you want us to delete the sound tube.
We're an exhaust company. Hit us up, man. Hit us up. We'll make you look good. We'll make you sound good.
We are YouTube's most prolific sellouts.
And there is nothing wrong with that, alright? You guys would do it too. Peanut butter gods. The rears are allegedly easier.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Well, we'll be the judge of that.
It's there.
Oh, dude.
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 How am I supposed to...
I thought the backs were easier.
I know.
Oh my god.
Maybe this back one's easier? That's ridiculous.
That's gonna be a pain.
Oh, it does. Look.
Oh my god, like this is way more room. Wait, what?
That's so much better.
Yo, you're kind of smart, bro. Anyone ever told you that?
My 2-year degree that took me 6 years to get told me that.
You gotta be swole by the end of this, bro.
I'm already swole.
Oh my god, shit! You look at the cats, dude.
Maybe if I disconnect the switch. Hold on.
That's scary.
Let me do some research.
I think wide body kits are played out now.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
They're way overdone. There you go, you're good. Yeah.
Let's
Actually,
go.
it's easy.
Yeah, mean, bro.
I don't know what it means.
2016 car YouTube, where like every other video on every other channel was a coilover install.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, welcome back.
Whoa. Never owning another car again. Because all those excuses I made for owning a Volkswagen, it's not that bad. Nah. It was bad.
Bro's a Miata boy for life now, dude. This is crazy.
Dude, I used to be so Volkswagen. It's just because I didn't know better.
All the VW boys are gonna feel so betrayed in the comments, bro. This is so sad.
Sugma. Drive a Miata and see how you feel.
Alright, well, we got all 4 lowering springs in, and now we just gotta get the wheels back on, and hopefully this is considerably lower.
Hopefully. And if it isn't, hopefully it handles better.
Yeah. Next up, getting the wheels back on. Dude, I'm excited to see this.
Me too. I'm excited to drive it.
Can't wait to see how it feels, how it looks. Got high hopes for this.
These are the springs that everybody gets. Thank you.
Oh my god, we raised it, dude. 3 inches.
Alright.
Moment of truth.
Hope for the best.
Like we said, expecting about an inch.
Well, that's good news.
Jack stuck under it?
Yeah.
Alright, well that means it's lower.
It's actually definitely lower. It's still tall, but it's lower. Pulled Jack.
Like we said, these are just springs, so it's not going to be like super slammed. These guys are probably used to all over YouTube, but it should be a nice fitment. Should be a nice, responsible.
It already looks good. That's already less.
Oh, yeah.
It was more than a fist before. So.
Definitely lost an inch, maybe even over an inch in the rear as well.
I should have measured it. So.
Yeah, we should have, bro.
I took pictures, but I didn't measure.
Definitely lowered it in the rear. The rear was able to get a fist in there. Now you're not. Definitely lower. Like we said, it's not gonna be crazy slam, but it's gonna be looking pretty good. Time to hit the luggies. You know the vibes.
90 foot-pounds.
How much did you pick these springs up for again?
$150.
$150.
Top hats, shocks, and springs. And the springs new are $300 without a discount.
Oh my goodness. $150.
Peter took care of me, man.
Can't complain. On a side note, we got the carbon fiber eyelids on the Toyota van. All right, well, I think it's time we pull this out into the sunlight real quick. That's a happy boy right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's definitely not a crazy difference, but it's like a decent sized difference.
And we also got
oh my god, especially in the rear, dude.
We also gotta like take it around.
Yeah. Gotta let it settle in, but dude.
No,
it actually looks way different. You gotta take the pick. You gotta take the pick. I feel like the part where it's most noticeable is probably the rear, because the rears are pretty monster trucky. Not anymore.
Feels different already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely feels different.
Well, we got our first speed bump.
Nothing.
That's nice. That's nice.
They're not blown at all, man.
Not at all.
This was the good kind of $150 deal.
Let's go, dude. There's not many of those.
No. My alignment's not all f***ed up either.
That's good.
Wonder if I'll have to. Probably should.
Dude, I never got an alignment after my 8.6 coils, and I was going through tires like crazy, bro.
Yeah, that's how it was in the CC2. Also didn't get an alignment after I crashed.
I feel like it's gonna be flat through the turns now.
Oh yeah.
Because the NDs have like that body roll, kind of like
on
how
purpose.
the NAs do.
Yeah,
it's like the on-purpose body roll. This guy's gonna take it at 2 miles an hour though.
Right. Oh yeah.
Oh,
so flat. Dude. So flat. That felt great.
That felt good, dude.
That felt flat.
Yeah.
I don't hate the body roll either, so if there's still some,
yeah,
fine. I don't need it to be like dummy flat. I just want it to be effective.
This feels low, but with the comfort of stock suspension.
No, these shocks feel fine.
Yeah, these are really good shocks.
Yeah, these feel fine. Like the dampening's a little stiffer.
Yeah.
How it should have been from the factory.
I agree. I don't know why they try to be so practical.
It's like, it's not gonna scrape, and like if you're buying a tiny sports car, like,
you know what to expect, you know? Overall, successful day. I know it's not slamming on tarmacs and dailing it, but this is such a good ride height. This is such a good ride height to where you can still carve canyons. We want drivable, and this right here is drivable. All right. Next up, exhaust.
Exhaust.
And just like that, we're tucking her away.